How to use Jetstar Airways promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get promo codes for Jetstar. So go ahead and search for Jetstar promo codes. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Jetstar. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Worth Penny. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Jetstar. Just scroll down and check out the offers. $30 off, 50% off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. Copy the code, then click on shop. You'll be directed to the official website of Jetstar. Once you're on the website, go ahead and log into your account. Then head towards the flight section. Now you can search for the flight. First, you can select whether you want round trip or one way. Likewise, you can select the passenger number, then select your origin and destination. Then you can search for the flight. If flight is available, you can choose the cabin class, economy or the business. Then select the fare charge and click on continue to bags. Once you are in the checkout page, you will find the section of codes. Over your basic copied code and confirm your flight. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your flight and code will be redeemed. So this way you can easily use Jetstar Airways promo codes. So that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.